Hello, friend. This is Angie Bauman, creator of the Step-by-Step Bible Study Method and facilitator for the upcoming Step-by-Step workshop. I'm so delighted that you are considering joining me for what I know will be a few hours that really help strengthen you in your personal Bible study. Is step-by-step the only way to study? Certainly not. Is it the best way? Debatable. But what it is a fresh way. A way that you can go to a verse of scripture and with a few apps downloaded on your smart device, receive a deeper understanding of how God is speaking to you through His Word. So let's get down to it. The purpose of Step by Step is simple. To study for yourself, and that is so important that we can glean wisdom and direction and application on our own. To find personal life application because God truly desires us to have a personal relationship with Him in a verse of scripture, whatever one we hear or run across or feel led to study. And here are the 5 steps of the process that we will work through during the workshop. Step 1 will be to choose our word. We'll choose one word out of a verse of scripture that we select. Step 2 will be to investigate that word. We will compare the word in other translations. We will go and find a definition and larger meaning of the original word. We will look at some commentary and get an understanding of what some other people say about that section of scripture. And then we will rewrite the verse in our own words. Step 3 is find the heart of God, where we identify the characteristics of God from other places in the Bible where the word tells us more about God, who He is to us. Step 4 is identifying the lie of the enemy. We always want to ask ourselves, what is it that the enemy's trying to do to us, either in this verse of scripture or through the opposite of this verse of scripture? What's the thing that we're tempted to believe that keeps us from claiming the truth that is found in this verse of scripture? And then finally, we ask, so what? Which is just simply, through what I've studied today and what I'm learning, what does this mean for my life right now? Before the workshop, we will ask you to download 3 apps on your phone or smart device. And if you decide to join us, you'll get information on how to do this in an email. So no worries at all about remembering it now. And here are the details for the next workshop, the date and the time and the workshop fee. And that fee also does include a downloadable PDF workbook that will be yours to keep. And here finally is some information on how to get more information. You can read more on my website. That's also the place that you can get signed up for the next workshop, or you can shoot me an email if you have any questions. I would love to hear from you. Thanks so much for taking a look. I hope it works out for you to join us because I would love to study with you. Peace.